Hello everyone, welcome back on Plufo. I am your science teacher Bibi Fatima here. Today I am going to tell you about the Green Revolution. What is Green Revolution? Why it is started? What are its advantages and disadvantages? Everything we are going to learn today. So first, Green Revolution. It is the great increase in the production of crop such as rice, wheat due to the introduction of high yielding variety of seeds, use of pesticides and better management technique. And who started this Green Revolution in India? It's MS Swaminathan. And do you know what is the reason of starting this in India? After the independence, it was a big challenge for Indian government to fulfill the demands of food in India. So because of which the Green Revolution has started. Reason was that how much the farmers are working, they are not getting the proper benefit of that their work hard, and moreover the great increase in the population and import was more than the export. So by thinking this, the government has planned to start Green Revolution in India, and it happened because of MS Swaminathan. So he is known as the father of Green Revolution in India. And if we talk about in which place it started, any idea? It is started in Punjab. So the aim was to make India to become self-sufficient about the Green Revolution in the terms of food, which has been fulfilled. The target they have reached, and it was a great success, and that time is also called as golden era because everything has happened proper way and India was sufficient in the terms of food. But as we say, in everything there is a pros and cons. Here also happened the same thing. So what is the advantages here? When it has started, so farmer learns the new techniques and the prices of the food has reduces, where all the people are able to get benefit of that, and the India has reached the targets. Everything was happened correctly. But if we focus on the disadvantages, due to the use of pesticides and fertilizers, the soil started to lose its fertility, and it's very costly for the poor farmers to use these methods. And the next, every time they need more and more amount of fertilizers, which leads to water pollution, air pollution and soil pollution. So adopting new technique is good, but in a limited way. So along with the new methods, we should not forget to use a proper and natural methods, which is always important and which is never going to be get failed. Thank you. I hope you all like the video. So please like, share and subscribe our channel.